Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Haley Beanert used to binge on Subway sandwiches, crisps, and cookies. But the cruel comment changed that, and she learned to love herself again. A woman who was fat-shamed by her husband after a cruel jibe had the last laugh when she lost almost half her body weight. Kennel supervisor Haley Beanert, age 27, from Irvine, California, USA, described herself as being a little bit chubby after growing up without a father figure in her life and being in a toxic relationship with her husband who constantly put her down. She says this cycle caused her to binge eat and saw her reach 227 pounds and a UK size of 18 to 20. Before her dramatic weight loss, Haley would eat a foot-long Subway, bag of chips, and 4 cookies for lunch, which would be washed down with a Coke. Fast forward 3 years, and Haley has swapped junk food and sugar for meals packed with lean turkey, chicken, fish, and vegetables. She is now a super fit 145 pounds and a UK size of 8 to 10. Oh, she also got rid of him. Growing up with a father who would rather play video games than help his daughter build a birdhouse can cause issues later in life, said Haley. I do know that it was an accumulation of the way I grew up and the toxic relationship I put myself in with my ex-husband. I've always been a little bit chubby, and when my ex and I got married, we partied a lot and ate horribly. I had gained more weight and he didn't like it. One night he'd been drinking and he told me in so many words that I was fat and he wasn't attracted to me anymore. When I heard that, it was like a switch had gone off in my brain. I never saw my body the same way after that. I felt inferior. I felt ugly and I felt unworthy. So I ate. I binge ate until I ballooned to more than 16 stone. After I had grown the mental strength to leave my ex, I realized that I needed to change something in my life. I couldn't change my overall current situation, but I knew I had total control over my body and my health. For so long, I'd felt as though I didn't have an identity, that my body fat percentage was my identity, and that all people ever saw, including my ex. So I cut my hair, dyed it red, and purchased the Beachbody workout program, and in 3 months, I lost more than 3 stone. Before losing weight, Haley never exercised, but now she hits the gym between 5 to 6 times a week. Despite her new health regimen, she still allows herself an occasional treat of ice cream or Diet Coke. I would say that the hardest part of losing weight for me was eating healthy. I was always triggered by fast food signs and sugary food at the grocery store, she explained. As you travel down the road of weight loss, sometimes the foods you shouldn't eat sound better than the foods you should. Overall, I just move my body. I think people get overwhelmed with weight loss because they think they have to hit the ground running. I think people think that they have to have a rigid workout routine and eat salads all day, and it's not like that at all. If you're mostly sedentary, then plan to go for a brisk 30-minute walk 4 days a week and focus on eating healthy foods. Slowly push out the foods you know are not helping your weight loss and replace them with wholesome foods that will make you feel good. Haley is now more confident than ever and is currently working towards becoming a certified personal trainer specializing in women's weight loss, where she hopes she can inspire others. I love myself, but I had to learn that through accepting what happened to me, where my body was and will be in the future. Accepting the now is the most important thing you can do in working for a better you, she said. I've been told that I've been inspirational in the start of other people's weight loss journeys. People who haven't seen me in a while are shocked, and that's a good feeling. Just start with your grocery list, but don't stress over it. You don't want to get sucked into all the fad diets and mumbo-jumbo the health industry tries to sell you these days. It's not something you can keep doing for the rest of your life. Just focus on weeding out the bad foods in your diet and replacing them with things you know are good for you. In another story for Yaozhen, being fat cost her everything. The single mother from China, whose formerly svelte figure grew from 50 kilograms to 90 kilograms, said her husband left her because she gained too much weight after giving birth to their son. My ex-husband said to me, "I was fine with anything you did when you were skinny, but I can't stand you looking like this anymore," Liu told Chinese media. When I heard that, I was really, really hurt, she said. He made it really clear. He left me because I was fat, she added. Liu used to study in Manchester and worked in London for a year before moving back to China. She said when she got married, her then husband jokingly said to her, "I want to treat you well, spoil you, and have you gain weight so you won't run away from me." But his attitude completely changed when she put on weight after giving birth, leading to their divorce. Not only did she lose her marriage due to her weight gain, but also her health. Lou currently suffers from a serious fatty liver disease. Lou's extra weight destroyed her confidence, as she's always enjoyed a slim figure and had never had any issue with her weight. "I used to enjoy being the center of attention. Now I just want to hide," she said. And she's constantly teased by her 2-year-old son. "My son is really cute. Sometimes he'll joke and say, 'Mummy is a big fat woman,'" Lou said. "Every time I hear that, it hurts." That's when she decided it's time to take charge and make a change. Lou successfully signed herself up as a contestant on Living It Up, a reality TV weight loss competition hosted by Shanghai Dragon Television, similar to UK's The Biggest Loser. "I would do anything to achieve my goal," she said. And from the start of the 100-day contest, Lou tried her hardest at every outdoor and physical challenge. She beat all 13 of her contestants and achieved first place during the first weigh-in on the show, dropping 7.2 pounds in her first week. Lou's story, which was widely circulated on Chinese social media, has touched the hearts of many. The trending topic page on Chinese microblogging website Weibo, titled "Pretty Woman Gets Dumped for Gaining 40 Kilograms After Getting Married," has been viewed 8.5 million times. "Your wife only gained weight because she gave birth to your child. You call yourself a man for dumping her because of that?" one comment read. "You should lose weight for yourself and your health, not for that horrible man," another person said. "So a woman's happiness is based on her size," one user said. "You just haven't met the right person. All the best to you," another said. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.